going to show you how to bypass a Windows 10 password. The first thing you need is a Windows 10 disk. I did make another video showing you how you can go to Microsoft and download that disk for free. So once you have that disk, go ahead and pop that into the drive. So now we've got the Windows CD to boot up. What we want to do is we want to click Next, and then instead of installing, we want to click Repair Your Computer. Then what we want to do is click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then go to Command Prompt. Now from this command prompt, we're going to type C:\Enter, and then just do a quick check, and I can see that this is the contents of the C drive. That's what I want. So now I'm going to type CD space Windows \system32. Enter. C:\Windows \system32. What I want to do here is I want to replace the accessibility command that's available on the Windows login screen with the command prompt. I want to replace this file here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to first make a copy of it, and it'll all make sense here in a minute. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type copy space utilman.exe space C:\\. And what that does is it takes this file that I'm about to overwrite and makes a backup of it. So now what I want to do is I want to type copy space cmd.exe. That's the file for the command prompt. Copy space cmd.exe utilman.exe. So when we click on the accessibility icon at the Windows login, it will bring up the command prompt that lets us create the user that we need. We can type exit and restart the computer. Windows is booting up as before, still have the same user account on here, but now when we click on ease of access, instead of the ease of access, we get the command prompt. So what I'm going to do is type net space user. I'm going to give it a name, owner, give it a password of password, and then click add. Net space user space username space whatever the password is space /add. When you hit enter, boom, there you go. Command is completed successfully. What I have to do is add it to the administrators group. So I'm going to type net space local group, all one word, space administrators, then my name, owner, space add. Click exit, restart the computer. The machine is rebooted, and now instead of just this one login, you now see right here, owner. All I have to do is click on it, type in password, which is the password I created, and just like that, I am back into my computer. But if you want to access the other user's files for whatever reason, say maybe it's a former employee that changed their password and you need access to their files, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shortcut on my desktop for those users' files. So I'm just going to right click over here, somewhere in a blank spot, click new, and create folder, and I'm just going to call it file backup. Now I have a folder to copy all that other user's files into, but it takes a minute. So from this PC, I'm going to double click Windows, I'm going to double click Users, and there's the other user's folder right here. Okay. Now when I double click on it, it says you don't have access to that folder. So what you want to do is you want to click continue on that. Eventually you'll be able to get access. Okay, so about 5 minutes have gone by, and as you can see here, it eventually brings up all the user's folders as if I had logged into their profile. So what I want to do is I want to just right click on each of these folders, go to copy, and then just go over here to my file backup folder, right click on it and click paste. And same with the documents, right click paste, downloads, and so on. Now you can open that file backup folder. Everything that user had in their folder, you can now see. If you recall, we replaced the ease of access file so we could hack the password out. So here it is right here, utilman. So what we want to do is we want to put it back and replace the command prompt. Now obviously if you want to just leave it like that, you can, but it also makes your computer vulnerable. So what you want to do is go to this PC, go over here to the Windows drive, right click on utilman. Remember, I copied it to the root of the C drive. Choose cut, then double click on Windows, scroll down to System 32, right click on System 32 and choose paste. Now it should ask you to overwrite it. Go ahead and say replace the file. And just like that, everything is 100% back to normal. If this video helped you, make sure you click that like button. And with that being said, have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.